Hello everyone, welcome to LFI Educate, class 12 accountancy class. So we are doing question number 1. We have did already realization account of question number 1, that is page number 251. So in the same question, they asked to prepare partners capital account and cash account. So we have done in the last video how to prepare realization account. Today we will learn how to prepare partners capital account. There is two partners, that is Supriya and Monica. So prepare the partners capital account and cash account. So we'll prepare both. Okay, write a partners capital account. Two partner, write a two partner, Supriya S, Monica M. Okay, write a particulars. Write a particulars. Supriya, Monica. Credit, debit. Are your partners capital account? Partners capital account. So we'll write the balance from the liability side, that is a capital account of the partner, which is given in the balance sheet. The amount is given: Supriya capital 32,500, Monica 11,500. So right here by balance brought down in the credit side. Okay, their balance amount will be in the credit side. That by balance brought down. How much the amount is given? 32,500 for Supriya and 11,500 for Monica. Now in the balance sheet is given reserve fund. Reserve fund will be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. The profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Right, by reserve fund. What is the ratio is given? 3:2. So if you divide 3:2, the amount is given in the balance sheet 13,500. So we'll get 8,100 for Supriya and 5,400 for Monica. Now we'll write the profit which we have already calculated in realization account. That will be credited to partners capital account. Okay. So that by profit on realization. How much profit we get? We get 1,755 for Supriya and Monica 1,170. So now we'll total the credit side. How much for Supriya? If you total it, that amount will be 42,355, and for Monica 18,070 rupees. Same amount will come this side. 42,355, 1 zeros. Okay. So nothing amount is given. So that is the closing amount of partners capital account, that is Supriya and Monica. To balance, to bank account, because there is closing amount and the business will be closed down, and that will be payment by the bank. How much the amount? Same amount will be paid by the bank, that is 42,355 and 18,070 rupees. Now we'll prepare the bank account or cash account. So in the balance sheet is given cash and bank. So we'll write in the heading cash and bank account. Prepare the cash and bank account. Remember that in resolution of a partnership firm will not prepare balance sheet because the firm is dissolved. Right, particulars, amount in rupees. Again write a particulars, amount in rupees. Write a credit debit. Write a cash and bank account. Write a cash and bank account. Okay. So write the balance brought down, which is given in the asset side of the question right here. To balance brought down. How much amount is given? The amount is given 40,500. Okay. Now, whatever amount released in the realization account, that will come in the debit side of the cash and bank account, and whatever amount is paid, that will go to the credit side. Okay. So right here, to realization account, assets released. Right, the full amount how much? 69,425. That is the total of the realization account which we have prepared already. Right here, by realization account, liabilities paid off. That is come from realization account. The amount is 48,000 for creditors. You can write by realization account. That is expenses. This also come from the realization account. The amounting is 1,500. Okay. Now this capital account is paid by the bank, and this will come credit side right here by Supriya capital account. By Supriya capital account, what is the amount? 42,355. By Monica capital account, this amount will be 18,070 rupees. Now the balance should be same. So if you total both the side, in the credit side is 1,09,925. Okay, same here, 1,995. 1,995. That is the cash account of question number 1. So we have prepared realization account, partners capital account, and cash account or bank account. Now we'll try to understand the entries regarding the dissolution of a partnership firm. That is the journal entries. See the journal entries. So we'll do it part wise. See the journal entries regarding the dissolution of a firm. Journal entries format. Okay. Number 1 is given for transferring of assets. So we know that we have transferring the assets from balance sheet to the realization account debit side. So what will be the entry? The entry will be realization account debit to sundry assets account. That means what? The assets is transferring from assets to realization account. The realization account is a debit, and to all assets will be the credit. So suppose land, building, plant and machinery, whatever will be there, that will be in the credit side while giving the transferring entry. Right here, number 1 entry for transfer entry. For transfer of assets. for transfer of assets. What will be the entry? Okay, whenever we will transfer the assets to the realization account, realization will be debited and all the assets will be in the credited. Okay, right? So right, realization account debit, realization account debit to assets account. Okay, we write individually like building, land, plant and machinery. Whatever amount will be given the assets side, that amount will be transferred to the transfer entry. Now, while transferring the liabilities, what will the entry? Number 2 entry for transfer of liabilities. For transfer of liabilities, what will be the entry? Same. If asset transfer, the entry will be realization account debit to asset account. That means realization debit and assets credit. When liabilities transfer, it will be opposite. Liabilities account debit, that is liabilities will be debited and realization will be credited. Right there. Liabilities account debited, liabilities account debited to realization account. That is a transfer of liabilities. Same we have did in realization account the format that is regarding the entries. Okay, we have did the ledger account. Now we will doing the journal account. Now after transferring the assets and liabilities, we will sold the assets or revalue the assets and paid out the liabilities. So first of all, we will sell the assets first. Right. Suppose the asset is sold. So right, for sale of assets. If the assets is sold, what will be the entry? If the asset is sold, cash or bank account will comes in. That means cash will comes in the bank account. Okay, cash will increase and asset will decrease. So cash account debit or bank account debit to assets account, because asset is goes out and we know that asset is a real account. Okay, and bank also, cash also a real account. What comes in debit and what goes out credit. We know that we have learned already in class 11. So sale of assets, that means when asset is sold, assets goes out. What comes in? Cash comes in the bank account. So write a bank account debit. The entry will be bank account debit to realization account. We will not write assets account because it will be credited from realization account. Okay. Whatever the transaction we will do, we will connect with directly with realization account. Now, when the assets will be taken by the partners, sometimes it happens instead of selling the assets, some of the partners will take off the assets. What will be the entry then? For an assets taken over by a partner. If the asset is taken by a partner, what will be the entry? Okay, so entry will be partners is taken over, that will be partners capital account debit. It will take over from the realization account. Okay, but partners capital account debit, partners, that is the entry, while taking the assets by the partner. Partners capital account debit to realization account. Partners capital account debit to realization account, that is whenever the asset is taken over by the partner. Now we will do for the liabilities, payment of liabilities, that is point number 5. When the liabilities will be paid off, cash will be decreased. Cash goes out from the bank account. So what will the entry when the liabilities is paid off? Point number 5, right here, for payment of liabilities. For payment of liabilities. What is the entry then? Realization account debit to cash account or bank account. We write a bank account. Okay? Why bank account? Credit? Because the cash goes out. Okay? From that liabilities account debit, it will be debited from realization account. That is why realization account debit. While the payment of liabilities. Okay? If the partners takes the responsibility to discharge the liabilities, what will be the entry? Okay? If the partners is discharge the liabilities for a liability, discharged by partner, what will be the entry? Discharged by partner. The entry will be realization account debit. Instead of bank account, we write to partners capital account. Okay. Realization account debit. Realization account debit to partners capital account. Realization account debit to partners capital account. If the liability is discharged by a partner. Now, for payment of creditors, okay, for payment or settlement of creditors, what is the entry? 7 number. For settlement, remember the journal entries is very important for the final exam. This is the format of journal entries. I will try to solve some question. For settlement with the creditors. Okay? Who is to creditors? To whom we have to pay the balance amount. Okay? So, for the settlement with the creditors, the entry will be realization account debit. Realization account debit. It will be debited from the realization account, and what goes out? Cash goes out from the bank account. That to bank account. Okay? Now, suppose sometimes they will settle with the assets. Okay? Suppose the assets value is 5 lakh and we have to pay to the creditors 3 lakh. So, the remaining 2 lakh will be credited by the creditors. That means it will be paid by the creditors to the firm. Those 5 lakh assets is taken over by liabilities, taken over by creditors. So, 5 lakh land is taken by creditors and we have to pay creditors 3 lakh. That means instead of 3 lakh is taken how much? 5 lakh. That means remaining 2 lakh the creditor will be paid to the firm. The entry will be like this. If like entry will come, bank account debit to realization account. Bank account debit to realization account. If the case come like this. Okay? So the remaining journal entries you just go through once. I'm trying to solve some question from the books. Okay, in the next video I will try to solve some question from the books. Okay, thank you very much.